Welcome to OmniCarrier. In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and easily create a sea shipment on the platform, allowing you to track your cargo in real time and centralize all your shipment information in one place. Let's get started so you can optimize your logistics operations from day one. Step 1. Create a group. Go to the Configuration tab, then navigate to Emails and Groups. Click Add, enter the group name, and add the email addresses of the participants. Once all members have been added, click Save. Your group will now be created in the system. This group allows multiple users to receive real-time notifications whenever there is a status update on a shipment. Step 2. Create a sea shipment. Shipments can be created manually or uploaded in bulk using an Excel file. Manual creation. Enter the shipment reference. This reference helps identify which shipment the automatic email notifications relate to. Next, select the carrier. In the Track With field, choose between container number, MBL, or booking number. In this case, we will use the container number. Now, enter the shipper and consignee names. In the label field, enter the reference and click Create. Under Groups, select the group you created earlier. This group will receive automatic notifications whenever the shipment status changes, such as booking confirmation, vessel departure, delays, arrivals, or demurrage events. All updates are sent in real time via email, with no need to log into the platform. This ensures that all teams receive the same information at the same time. You can also add an additional email address if you want someone outside the group to receive shipment notifications. To finish, click Create Shipment. The shipment will be available in the My Shipment section. Bulk import via Excel. In the New Shipment section, click Import Shipment. Download the template, fill in the required information, save the file, and upload it to the platform. Verify that the number of shipments matches the uploaded data. If everything is correct, click Confirm to complete the import. Your shipment will be automatically uploaded into the OmniCarrier system. We invite you to start using the platform today and streamline the management of your shipments. Thank you and welcome to OmniCarrier.